Hello. The Allenbuild GR11R is a quality receiver, laser receiver, made in Taiwan to give it a display. It has an audio button. You can switch it on loud, soft or off. It has two accuracy settings, 0.8mm, 1.5 for rougher work, and the power button is over there. It has two bubbles to maintain accuracy of staying vertical, and a wider window than your standard cheap receivers. We'll show you how it works now. If we put the audio on, as we lift, the tone changes. On grade, solid line. Below grade, above grade, different sound, so you can distinguish the two, and on grade. Thank you. It also has a dual display so that you can view it on both sides. It takes standard AA penlight batteries for ease of use. The well-mounted bracket is easily removable with a screw on the back.